Hello everyone, Paolo Deshon here from Build Apps with Paolo, where we teach you how to become a well-rounded developer. If you don't know what a well-rounded developer is, a well-rounded developer is somebody who not only is technically savvy, but that person also understands the other things besides being technically savvy, which allows you to become a well-rounded developer, a developer who is just a rock star. That's what we do at Build Apps with Paolo. All right, I'll be back. All right, so, hey, the day is coming. The launch day is coming for the world's first Flutter course. So excited. Yes. And again, thank you so much for all of you who have been commenting, who have been sending me messages, who have been commenting below on my previous video where I announced the upcoming course, the world's first Dart and Flutter complete course. It's very awesome, folks. It's really great. So it's going to come tomorrow. So T-1. Tomorrow's going to be the day, folks. Tomorrow is going to be the day. And if you're still excited, go ahead and comment below and tell me all about it. Tell me how excited you are and that you're really interested and you want that discount. It's really coming. I sound like a salesman. I don't think I'm a salesman, okay? I think I'm just... Anyway, okay, so... Now, one of the things that I'd like to discuss or to let you know about the course is that since Flutter is still in beta stages, that means there will be a lot of things that will be changing, there will be upgrading and updating the platform and the framework, right? Now, the beauty of this course that I created, I am aware of that, the fact that Flutter is still growing, which means the course has to be a dynamic course. I will be updating it constantly. If there are changes, new changes in the APIs, Dart and Flutter, I will create new content, lectures, and I'll be updating the course as we go. And my plan is to actually, for the next 2 months, is to keep adding more and more content to the course. So the idea really is to keep growing the course for as long as it. Obviously, I wouldn't be able to keep doing that forever, but for the next 2 months, it's going to be amazing because I'm going to be adding a lot of content for you guys. And I would also ask you, once you are in the course, so once I launch tomorrow, you are going to get the course, right? And I'll ask you, things I will ask you is to rate the course and leave comments. That would help me, will make me really happy because, you know, that's a good validation. But also it will allow other people who are going to be seeing the course and saying, hey, this course is great, right? They're going to be able to learn from the course, to enroll in the course and start learning Flutter and Dart. And most importantly, once you've enrolled in the course, tomorrow, it's coming, in the coming weeks, I will ask you to let me know of other topics or applications that you would want me to build and include in the course. Okay, so I want to try to make it a little bit dynamic. Of course, there will be always a little bit of limits because I can't do everything, but I will try my best to accommodate all of your requests. Yeah? Very cool. There will be a lot of things that I'm going to be covering this course. And one thing that I'm really excited about is I already created the promo video, which I'm going to show you right now. Hello and welcome to the world's first Flutter and Dart complete mobile development course. My name is Paolo Deshon and I'm the creator of one of the most popular Android and Java developer courses on Udemy. My courses have received over 3,000 positive reviews and currently have over 40,000 happy and satisfied students enrolled. I've been programming for 12 years and I've built several mobile apps and enterprise software. I'm also the founder of Magadi Studio, a software development company in the beautiful Spokane, Washington. Recently, I started a new blog website called Build Apps with Paolo, where I share tips and tricks related to programming and software development in general. Recently, Google released Flutter framework, which allows us to build apps for both Android and iOS. Since the release, Flutter has been trending rapidly nonstop, which means this is the right time to learn and master this new mobile development framework. Now, I designed this course for anyone seeking to master Dart and the new Flutter mobile development framework, which allows you to build Android and iOS apps with only one code base. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build sophisticated Android and iOS apps, which will give you the confidence to propel yourself into becoming a skilled professional Dart and Flutter mobile developer. The goal of this course is to take you from the beginning, which means learning the ins and outs of the Dart programming language, and then dive deep into Flutter, Android, and iOS development. You'll be building several apps along the way and be one of the first people to embrace this amazing mobile development framework. In this course, we'll be going over several topics such as declaring variables in Dart, learning about functions, advanced Dart concepts, classes, objects, inheritance, the Flutter mobile development framework in greater details, of course, designing material user interfaces for apps, building apps that connect to the server, and so much more. Learning Flutter, since it's a new framework, can be a bit scary at first, and this is why I use real-world examples and analogies to explain. That way, it's easier for you to conceptualize and master the core principles of Flutter and Dart. Now, the ideal student for this course is anyone who wants to dive in and learn the next biggest cross-platform mobile development framework. So beginners and advanced students alike are all welcome and will all greatly benefit from the course. All I ask really is that you come open-minded and ready to learn. So, if you want to be one of the first developers to explore and master Dart and Flutter, this course is definitely for you. Feel free to look through the course description and try the free preview lectures. I'm very grateful that you're here, and I look forward to seeing you inside. Great! So how was it? You see that? I'm very proud. I look nice. I like the way I looked, nice shirt and everything. And anyway, so thank you so much, guys. If you are still interested in the course, go ahead and leave those comments below. It really helps me get excited too. And for those of you who already left a comment from the previous video, thank you so much. That is great. Good for you. And you'll get your discount. Don't worry, it's coming tomorrow, folks. If you're new in this channel, welcome. Thank you very much. You can go ahead and visit us at Build Apps with Paulo. There is indeed something waiting for you there. And while you're here, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because that's going to be great, because that will make me happy, and also you will learn a lot. So this channel is the place where I'll give you tips and tricks about programming, on how to become a well-rounded developer, a developer who knows his stuff. Okay? Perfect. I'm very excited. T-1. Tomorrow is the launch day. I cannot wait to share with the world the course that I've been working on for a little while now. Thank you so much. I'll see you next.